Hey Kevin, so we're at the Lumina Series machine. What are we making today?
Today we're going to do some grooving.
All right, excellent.
First thing I'm going to do is warm up the glue.
All right, great. So just by a press of the button, we have the glue getting warm right now.
That's right. The program is already loaded up from the list of programs, but all we have to do is one button press, activate our glue. A lot of questions are always asked about our heat on demand, how long it takes to heat the glue.
That's right, because the GluJet system, we've talked about it in the past, and yeah, a lot of talk about how long does it take to actually heat up glue to get to a point where you're running production.
Right. So we're going to heat up to 200 today because I'm running EVA.
Okay.
So it's about 3.5 minutes.
All right, great.
If I'm doing a PUR, then it's only about 2 minutes.
Now, so EVA is different than PUR in heat up time. Why is that?
Well, yeah, the EVA we're going to do about 200 degrees.
Okay.
And PUR, we only have to go up to 130 to 140.
Oh, I see. All right. Now, those temperatures, do you have to change that every time you change glue, or can you program it into the machine?
No, we'll have a series of programs, pretty much all the same cuttings, but one set of programs for EVA and another set for PUR.
Ah, great. And you're storing the temperatures in those programs?
Right, all the settings and all the temperatures are there.
Gotcha. Now, Kevin, I see on the screen that there are 2 different temperatures.
Yes.
That we're heating up to. Why is that?
Yeah, we have 2 set points on the machine. The one on the bottom is heating up the glue stick itself.
Okay.
So we need to heat on demand. We have 5 heaters in there, what's called a waffle heater.
Yep.
And as it goes through production, we want to make sure we have ample heat to readily melt the stick as we need it.
Okay.
On top, we only need 1 heater, and this is the heating of the nozzle, where we're actually applying it to the panel.
Oh, okay.
And this is for maintaining accuracy. This is why we have 2 temperatures. They're going to go to the same temperature, but we have 2 set points to make sure we have total accuracy with them.
I see. And one set point's going to heat up faster than the other just because there's less to heat up, right?
Right. There's less on the nozzle, and we have the 5 heaters on the bottom. Like I said, if we're running 25 meters a minute, we need to adequately melt this, which is no problem with 5 heaters.
Right. Very good.
Right through.
Now, another benefit of that heat on demand that you were talking about is that we have more control over the consistency of the color of the glue, correct?
Absolutely. We have no issue with color.
So now, why is that?
Because we're only heating up what we need.
Right.
Is one reason why we have a 3-minute heat up time. And then also, as it heats, it's only heating 1 time. And as it's melted, it's not exposed to air. So therefore, the color will remain the same.
I see.
So whether I'm running the white or the brown or the PUR, the color will be exactly what we put in, will be what's going to come out.
I see. Okay, very good. So that means that if you're changing glue color or even glue type on a Holz-Her machine, changing that out, you're just taking a cartridge out and putting another cartridge back in?
I could, if it's only heated up halfway, let's say half the cartridge, I can simply pull it out, put a different color in. There's a small purge that we do to purge it out. Or there's also the quantity of glue, the meter on the machine will tell me how much of the stick is left. So during production, I might say, well, I can just finish up my small bit of production, put my white glue behind it. When it starts to get, from the meter will tell me when the white stick is nearly there. I can do a small purge, change color, ready to go.
So the actual glue meter on your controller is an accurate representation of how much the cartridge you have remaining, so you can better plan your production time.
That's right, exactly.
I see, I see, very good.
So, not to interrupt you, but my machine's hot. I'm ready to go.
All right, Kevin, sounds good, thanks.